Honestly, I don't even know how to do these intros because I know for me, I don't want to be like, hello guys, or what's up, welcome to my YouTube channel. Because if you're here, and you're part of the Kitt and Bunn community. If not, we were probably put on your YouTube page to view the video because you watch similar videos. So welcome. I did want to start building our YouTube because we do have a few people who have been asking, when are you guys gonna make new videos and blah blah blah, and then like not blah 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 in a bad way, but you know, and with everything that's happening, like COVID, staying at home, we have been more active on social media with our faces, but also feeling the need to go on YouTube and do some videos. So with that being said, I don't even know what I'm saying. I have a really hard time and I'm learning, guys. This is like my second time recording. I'm so used to looking at the screen rather than at the camera, and I know Bunn, my husband, aka Alex as well, Alex aka Bunn aka husband, the Bunn of Kitt and Bunn, as my friend Kako Collective, Kea from Kako Collective would say. Super side note, it's really hard to like names, Instagram handles, business names, but I just wanted to bring you guys along on the journey of seeing little snippets of the videos that I'm working on. So today I'm planning to record a little sticker organization video that will be fully posted on a separate video for YouTube for you guys to check out. And I'm also going to work on this Tuesday's IGTV, I think. Let me check a little second. There we go. So Tuesday, June 16th, to post our IGTV in placement of the 7 p.m. lives. We are transitioning, if you guys don't know, our lives to IGTV because everyone's going back to work, as well as us. Our work is starting to pick up a lot more, and we want to like balance the energy rather than just like showing up to work tired. You know, like having a good balance of everything. So yeah, we hope that you guys still continue. We still will do the lives on Fridays at 6, but I don't want to go into talking too much. Bunn is probably going to cut out a lot of this when he edits it because he's the one that edits. As you can see in his little station, he is actually not here because he is at work at the cafe. Saturdays is the best time for me to record these videos because like there's no like background sound of like his mechanical keyboard. If you guys don't know, he has the like Black Widow, I think it's called, from Razer. He has like all the cool stuff that I eventually want to get. My goal is to get the pink rose quartz. So what do you call it? Yeah, the whole set. But that's eventually when we move into our apartment. Currently we are in a tiny little studio, also running our business out of here with 3 cats, but we're eventually, hopefully, once construction starts, we can move out in like a year and a half. So I'm really excited for that. If you guys have ideas where to get furniture, please let us know because we're trying to make like our wish list plan. And then also having to save. But yeah, I think I'm talking a little too much. I think I'm looking at the screen. It's about like 2 minutes plus the other, so like 6 minutes. But yeah, I want to just bring you guys on the journey. I'm going to record a YouTube video of like sticker organization as well as IGTV. Say that 5 times. IGTV. But I'm looking to record that today as well as kind of give you guys like a little like, I don't know. It's like a studio vlog, I guess. Yeah, let's call it that. But you guys will have a little bit sneak peeks into my day, so I hope you guys enjoy. Super side note, guys, do you ever like rewatch your videos and then you listen to your voice and like you're like, that is not how I sound? Like I always think my voice sounds really low, like a lot lower, and then when I watch it I hear like this, hi guys, so da da da, and I'm like, who is she? That is not me. But anyways, we are going to get right into it. so cute. Okay, I know I said I was gonna record a little of like sticker organization videos and showing you guys, but I also forgot to say that I will show a bit of my Happy Mail that I got this week. I was waiting all week to open this, guys, so just saying. But look at this. So she says, "Hi Kitt, I am super new to Pen Pals here in Daly City. Correct me if I'm wrong. Not too far from San Fran. We are moving to phase 2. Childcare is opening." This is so cute. Look at her little postcard, guys. And then she gave me an extra one, and I love her Happy Mail, like, because we're being like pen pals. I decided I wanted to try it out. Don't mind Cubone. She has an announcement about that because she hasn't heard a response from any of her pen pals. Anyways, she just, no, I'm just kidding. So she wrote little notes on the back of everything. It's so cute. I sent these postcards out when I was sending my shop announcements. Also bought too many. Thank you. Thank you, Jet. So cute, guys. And then she got her little Daiso find. Girl, I'm definitely going to exchange some Daiso finds with you. I love that store too. And then she gave me like she shared her sticker sheet stash from other shops with me. It's so cute. "I really enjoy participating in your IG lives. I hope this will help with bullet journaling." Girl, you are speaking my language. This will definitely help. I'm gonna save this for like a special theme when I want to be like bougie and gold. "Class of 2020. Look at this. I might give one to my nephew because he's actually Pearl City High School is white and blue. I mean purple, sorry. "I graduated this year and still trying to figure out what's next, but that's okay." Or it's okay. Yes. Sorry, I don't know where the camera is. It's okay. Aw, congrats. I did not know you just graduated this year. Okay, I'm saying the Star Wars, not the graduation. "Coffee Monsters. I've always wanted to buy a sheet from here. So if you are watching, Jet, just know I like almost cried seeing that you gave me a sticker sheet from them. "I accidentally bought too many at one of my favorite shops. I hope you enjoy." No, I'm definitely... Oh, so cute. Look at the little potato. And the shark. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry guys, getting too. Look how cute her sticker sheets are. She is so cute. Here are some of my favorite sheets. I love it. This will definitely help for my like business planner. Pick me up. We always have to have coffee. I have my coffee. Perfect. Thank you so much, Pen Pal. Pen Pal for life. I'm definitely going to respond back. But yes, if you guys are interested in being pen pals, DM me on Kitt and Bunn Supply Co. on Instagram. Can work something out. Definitely can't have 20 though at one time. But thank you so much, Jet. I'm so excited to get into this. Maybe I will bring it out later. So this package is from Some Little Things. know I just walked through all of these ones, but I just had to talk about this one. Kaylin, you literally outdid yourself, girl. Because I have all like the other kits and stuff. But this one by far is so beautiful. Like, all of your stuff is so great. But if you're watching this, like, this is the colors and everything. I love it so much. Like, guys, look at this divider. Like, if you decide to put it in one day or week, like, I know people do designs where it continues, but this one is like little characters. So cute and gorgeous. I love the fact that the foil even itself has texture. And this one is my favorite sheet right here. I think for you guys who have watched my lives, I'm obsessed with pastel. So cute. Super cute. Look at that. She like changed the way her stickers are and everything. Like, I love it. She did such a great job. She's always, I don't care what anybody says, she does such a great job. And then she added a clear sticker sheet this time. Kind of reminds me of Happy Scrappy. I love it. I love the additional sheets that she gives as well to the generic sub. But yeah, so that's it for the Happy Mail gear that I got this week. We have baby girl Toast. She's like, I'm taking a nap and I don't care. So around the afternoon time is nap time. Oh, bye. I asked him to get sushi and he got coffee too. Wow. Thanks, Bunn. Lunch break. Right side, duck.